Around 1100 BCE, the mighty Mycenaean civilization collapsed, plunging Greece into centuries of uncertainty. With the fall of the great palaces, Greece plummeted into an age of darkness. Famine and poverty became the only reality for the survivors. As cities vanished, trade declined, and communities became isolated. Survival replaced prosperity. The art of writing disappeared. Knowledge was preserved only through memory, songs, and oral traditions. Life was difficult. Most people lived in poverty, relying on farming, fishing, and the strength of their communities. Without strong kingdoms or central authority, insecurity and conflict became common features of everyday life. Yet from these centuries of struggle emerged new ideas, new communities, and the foundations of the remarkable Greco-Roman world.